Welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is another Stitch Fix day. Stitch Fix is those styling services where you give them all your wants and needs, sizes, special occasions, those kinds of things. They usually send you they always send you 5 things. Keep what you want, send back what you don't in a postage paid envelope that they give you. If you keep all 5, you get it's either 20% or $25. I'll have it right here. I can't remember. I'll also have a code. If you want to try Stitch Fix for the very first time, $25 off if you use my code, and I'll get $25 off my next box. So that'll be down there. Also, I would be very appreciative if you would like and subscribe and comment down below and let me know what you think. Let's get started with this box. Okay, we are going to start with this Myra ribbed open cardigan, light gray, size small, by Letty and me. And as you can see, it's got the different patterns going all different ways, which adds some interest. It's very light. I like that about it. No pockets, but it's very light, and of course the gray makes it very versatile. So I like this. These are the Archie high-rise regular inseam boyfriend jeans in indigo, size 6, by Hint of Blue. They're super comfortable because they are a looser fit. I like the wash on them. I think they're cute. I guess I've said this before, I'm so used to my skinny jeans, but these are gonna have to grow on me. But what do y'all think? Do I look a little big in them or sloppy? What do you think? Let me know. These are the Tom's Alpargata Resident Sneaker Light Gray, size 7.5. These might be my favorite Toms. I have several pairs, but these might be my favorites. They are actually felt. I thought they were wool, but nope. And right now, Tom's is having a 25% off sale at toms.com. And their sale is on several different styles, so you might go check it out. And here we have the Maya quarter zip knit top in beige. They're calling it beige, size small, by Pink Clover. Y'all, this is super soft. I think it's really cute. I like this a lot. It's a little tiny bit tight across the chest, not the bust, but the chest. I think it's super cute, and you are not gonna believe the price. And then last, we have the Aphrodite 2.0 Capri Black, size small, by the North Face. I like the North Face. I have several of these capris that I've gotten in fixes, and I really like them. They're very comfortable. They're very light, and you know they're good quality. So, and I like them with my little black Hey Dude sneakers. Pretty good box, y'all. I think this might be a 5 for 5. I love that they gave me some sale prices and some pretty cute stuff. Let's do a really quick wrap up. Okay, let me give y'all bottom line here. Stylist pick subtotal $199.89. The buy all discount at 25%, that's what it is less $49.97, which brings the total, shipping is free, the total minus tax at $149.92. Wow, y'all. This was a good box. And I love the prices, and I will tell her that. I do so many boxes that I really need things to not be super expensive. I just do. Y'all let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about those jeans. What do you think? Are they not flattering on me like I feel like they're not? Please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I will see you next time, y'all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.